Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be opening up my package from Mercari Japan. So this is a set of photo cards that I order from that site. These are mostly Treasure and Rise photo cards. So this is the box. So let's open them up. So Mercari Japan, basically I'm using Remambo as my third-party proxy site to order in Mercari Japan. If you're new to my channel, I usually ordered via Mercari Japan for photo cards, K-pop photo cards, merchandise, and all. For this particular set, which is I mentioned mostly Treasure and Rise, um, I have a couple. Yep, so they have a lot. Okay, so these are all the packages. I'm looking at about 50 photo cards for this particular unboxing. This is the first time that they included the actual packaging of each of the orders. So in in Remambo, in order for you to uh, order, actually, in Mercari Japan, in order for you to order, you need a third party proxy site because you can't order directly to them if you don't have any Japanese address. So what I did is I used Remambo for them to order, and then they're going to be consolidating all my order into one, and this is all that order. Okay, so let's start with this one. Let's open this all up. Let's put everything on the side first, and then I'm going to show you all the photo cards that we're going to be pulling from this consolidated merchandise or consolidated package. First one is this one. Okay, I don't like the way they package this one. So this is Bang Yedam's album photo card from his first mini album, Only One. I'm still missing one more photo card. So this I'm missing two photo cards. This is one of them. So now we're just missing one photo card for Bang Yedam's debut album. It's nice. Let's put it there. Okay. Next package is this one. So we're going to be completing a lot of Treasure and Rise collection with this package. I still have a lot more in my shopping cart in Remambo. Unfortunately, I need to send this out because I only have 60 days to store all my packages in Remambo before I get penalized. There you go. So this one is Treasure third anniversary photo card of Jungkook. It's a set. The seller is selling it as a set, but I don't need this one since I already have that. But this is something that we need. Nice. Okay. So I'm still struggling with Treasure third anniversary magazine. I think I'm still missing about 7 photo cards. Hopefully, we'll be able to complete it soon because Treasure already dropped another merchandise, the 2024 welcoming kit. So this one is the Soul kit, Treasure in Soul concert kit. So this is the random photo card. We have here Yunso. Nice. I think we're going to be collecting the Soul photo cards from this package. And then this one next. By the way, guys, I have an affiliate link. I'll link in the comment section. If you want to use Remambo as well as your proxy site in ordering in Japan, you might want to use my affiliate link. You'll get a certain discount. I forgot how many percent. Certain discount on your delivery. So we have here the unit photo card. This is from the third anniversary as well. So we have there Jungkook, Asahi, Jihoon, and Jungwoo. Nice. Next. Okay. Next, we have this Sohi. So this is our first rice photo card from this package. This is Sohi. This is from the Seasons Greeting 2024 Seasons Greeting trading card. So we have Sohi there. Nice. Next. So I would assume this is a rice photo card, and it has the same packaging as Sohi. So I would also assume that this comes from the same seller. There we go. So we have here One Bin's Pink Christmas photo card. So this is the only photo card that we're missing for the Pink Christmas. Christmas. This will complete the collection. That's nice. Next. This is a lot. So this is the Treasure Reboot Japan version A photo cards. So this is a complete set. So we have here Yunsuk, Jihoon, Yoshi, Junkyu, Jaehyuk, Asahi, Doyoung, Haruto, Jungwoo, and Jungwon. And this is what the backs look like. Very, very nice. I'm not gonna remove the stick the plastic here because there's a lot. It would take a while for us to complete them, but I'll remove it later. Let's line them up. There you go. Next package is this one. Okay, so another third anniversary photo card. This is, I think, a YG Select pre-order benefit, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if this is a random photo card or a pre-order benefit. There you go. Nice. And then next, this is a lot of photo cards, by the way, guys. We have, okay, this is, as you know, I am collecting the fan event photo cards from their Asian tour the last time, the Hello Tour. So this is one of them. This is Doyoung's Kuala Lumpur photo card. Nice. We're slowly getting there in terms of collecting those photo cards. Next is this one. Okay. Oops. Sorry. So we have here a rice photo card. And it's from the Season's Greeting. And it's Anton. This is Anton's concept photo card from the 2024 Season's Greeting trading card. Nice. Next. Okay. This is a similar packaging as before, so I would assume we bought a lot of the same from a similar seller. This is okay. Also a Rice 2024 Seasons Greeting trading card of Anton. This one is a selfie card. Nice. Next. Okay, so this is Asahi's YG Select pre-order benefit for the reboot. This is the remaining photo card that we need to complete reboot era pre-order benefit as well. So I already have this one, but the seller is selling it as a set, and this photo card here is the one that we're missing. So this will complete and close our reboot era for Treasure. Next is this one. Okay. So this is Haruto's Treasure in Soul Kit random photo card. There you go. Nice. I think we have Yunsuk and Haruto already. I think I'm still missing one. And then after that, we're done with that photo card set. Okay, so this is another third anniversary magazine photo card. This is Jihoon's. As I mentioned, I've been struggling collecting this one. They have the random photo card, and then they release a trading card, and both the design and the posing of the members are almost the same and identical. It's so difficult for me to search what photo card I'm still missing. This one is a bit thick. Okay, so this is really, really nice. So this, I ordered this before from my previous Rimambo haul, but I did not saw that it got canceled. So I ordered it again from a different seller, and here it is right now. So this is, let me carefully cut this up. There you go. So this is the third anniversary magazine pop-up store photo cards. This is an OT10. So we have here um, Jungwoo, Yunsuk, Jungwon, Jihoon, Doyoung, Jaehyuk, Asahi, Jungkyu, Haruto, and Yoshi. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is a complete set. This is what the back look like. Nice. So we'll just put it here. Not gonna remove the plastic cover. We'll just remove it later. There you go. Next is this one. Okay, so this is another unit photo card. I actually ordered this really late. I thought I already ordered it locally here in the Philippines, but unfortunately, the the seller that I ordered this one canceled it, and I did not notice it. So here it is. So this will complete the unit photo card for the third anniversary magazine. Okay, so this is another season's greeting from Rice. This time it's unsok. So this is a set of unsok. I'm not sure if I need both or I just need one. I think I'm still missing this one. I'm not sure if I'm missing both or just the one photo card. But we have that in the collection. Next, another Rice photo card. This one is our bias Sohi. So this is a selfie photo card. There you go. That's Sohi. Nice. Next. So we have this package. Okay, so this is a set of photo cards. I think these are all one bin. I really, this is quite expensive, but it's a set of one bin photo cards. So uh, we know that it's okay, considering he's one of the most expensive photo card member in Rice. So we have here one of one bin's photo card. We have another one here. Nice. And then the last one is this one. There you go. Okay. So we're almost done. We still have 4 more packages. This is the next one. We have Junkyu. So this is the same as Yunsuk and Haruto. This is the third, the Hello Tour. Hello in Seoul kit. There you go. So this is Junkyu's. Nice. And then next is this one. Okay, so part of the new release of Treasure is their welcoming collection. I happened to order a couple of set in Remambo, and this is one of them. I'm not sure if this is the Polaroid one or the photo cards, the random photo cards. Okay, so this is the photo cards. So we have here a complete set of photo cards. So we have there Asahi and Yunso. We have Doyoung, Haruto, Jungwoo, Jungwon, Jihoon, Yoshi, and Junkyu, and then we have Jaehyuk there. There you go. So I'll just put it randomly here. There you go. And then we have another one. So this is Yoshi's. Oh, there's a message in Japanese, and I don't understand that. So this is Yoshi's third anniversary magazine photo card. Nice. There you go. And then this is our last package. It's quite big. I think this is a set of Polaroid photo card from the 2024 season's greeting. I might be wrong, but I think that's this package. Okay. There you go. There you go. So these are the Polaroid photo cards. You have there Yunsuk, Jihoon, Yoshi, Junkyu, Jaehyuk, Asahi, Doyoung, Haruto, Jungwoo, and Jungwon. Nice. So these are all the Polaroid photo cards. There you go. So that ends our unboxing of our Mercari Japan haul. So these are all the photo cards that we purchased from our recent availment in Mercari Japan with the help of Remambo. If you want to see me update my binder with this photo card, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. If I have any question regarding my collection, don't hesitate and feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.